This question had some factoring in it, and so I'm going to start with the factoring that you had already done. So you had 36x squared minus 49. And then from here, you're going to set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So our two factors I'm underlining, we have x squared equals 0, and that's the first part of step 3, and then 36x squared minus 49 equal to 0. X squared equals 0, when you take the square root of both sides, it's just 0. There's nothing else that x could be. But when we factor over here, this is that difference of squares factor, where you take the square root of the first term, which is 6x, and the square root of the second term, which is 7. And then your factors become that 6x plus 7 and that 6x minus 7. And so that's just a difference of squares factoring. If you haven't thought about that in a little bit, you can look over that type of factoring. But then once you have these two factors, you set the factors equal to 0 and solve those. So I'm going to subtract 7, so I get 6x equals negative 7, divide by 6, x equals negative 7, 6. And then on the other one, add 7, divide by 6. And so our three answers, we have 0, negative 7, 6, and positive 7, 6. And you can list them for the answers. The first part of step 3, which is the negative 7, 6, and the positive 7, 6. And then for the final answer, you have negative 7, 6, 0, and 7, 6 for all of the answers. And so because this one had some factoring that was beyond what we had done in class, that's why it didn't really match up with any of the notes examples. It was more of a factoring problem that was going on here. So I hope that makes sense. If not, please just let me know.